In this video, we will be discussing how to navigate the TopHap map. The map is central to your experience using TopHap. You can pan the map by clicking and dragging the cursor. You can zoom the map by scrolling using either your mouse wheel, touchpad, or the two-finger scroll gesture on macOS. You can also zoom the map to a point by double-clicking or double-tapping. You can rotate and pitch the map by clicking and dragging the cursor while holding the right mouse button or control key. On macOS, this is accomplished using a very intuitive two-finger press and drag gesture on the touchpad. Dragging to the left and right controls the rotation, and up and down controls the pitch. This is very useful when using our 3D topography tool, which we will cover in a later tutorial. The map also supports a number of useful keyboard shortcuts. To use a keyboard to control the map, first click on the map to give it focus and press plus to increase the zoom level by 1, Shift plus to increase the zoom level by 2, minus to decrease the zoom level by 1, Shift minus to decrease the zoom level by 2. You can use the arrow keys to pan by 100 pixels in either direction, Shift and right arrow to increase the rotation by 15 degrees, Shift left arrow to decrease the rotation by 15 degrees, Shift up arrow to increase the pitch by 10 degrees, and Shift down arrow to decrease the pitch by 10 degrees. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.